Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show you how to fix WhatsApp. Call unavailable. Let's go. If you are experiencing this problem, it can be frustrating not being able to make or receive calls through the app. First of all, open up the WhatsApp application. Then tap Settings. After that, scroll down to the bottom and tap Help, then tap Help Center. Now scroll down to the very bottom and tap Contact Support. What you want to do next is tell the WhatsApp support team about your problem, so just type in something like this. I am facing an issue where WhatsApp calls are unavailable on my account. This is causing inconvenience. Could you please look into this matter urgently and provide guidance on how to resolve the issue? Now tap Next and then tap where it says, Send my question to WhatsApp support. Now they will review your issue and respond to you as soon as possible. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.